Hello friends of YouTube, welcome to my channel. My name is Jen. If this is your first time here, I do all sorts of clothing unboxing videos and shopping hauls and fashion events and things like that. So if videos all about clothes sound interesting to you, then please subscribe below. I'd greatly appreciate it. Returning viewers, thank you guys so much for your continued support. I cannot tell you how much I appreciate that. You guys are the best. Okay, today I have a Fashom unboxing. So Fashom, if you're not familiar, where have you been? They are a styling service and they send you 5 items, but you actually they're not actually a subscription service. They have an app or a website. You just request a box when you want it. It is free for your first box, so if you do want to try it, again, that's free, and then I have a referral link below to get you $10 off your first box, so yay. And you put it in a stylist note, and then after a few days they send you selection, maybe 7, 8 items, and you choose out of there 5 items you want to have sent to you. And then it takes probably a couple weeks for them to be able to get it, turn around and get it sent to you. But it is always well worth a little bit of wait. The wonderful things about Fashom, one, there are all sorts of vlogs from the meetup where you get to meet the owner and hear about her heart and some of her heart behind the service and getting women to feel comfortable with their bodies and feel happy with the clothes that they have, and their motto is better as I am, and I love that. They support an animal rescue. They are also doing a promotion right now for supporting those that were hit in the hurricane in the Bahamas. So really great company, really great woman, Matali, love her. And at the meetup, I absolutely loved her outfit. So I literally, in my request, said I want her outfit. I loved her skirt, I loved her shirt, and I loved, she threw on this white blazer at the end, and it's like, I have to have that. So I think the skirt and the shirt are in here, among a few other things that I was interested in. So I'm really, really excited to get into this because I know she looked fantastic. So I'm going to try to copy that look of hers. So, okay, let's go ahead and get into it. And pull out, they do, again, give you a mailer like the other services, so you can send back what you're not going to keep. And my bundle's coming apart, but here it is, and I'm excited about it. A lot of greens. Actually, is the whole thing green? Almost the whole thing is green, and I'm cool with that. Green is my favorite color, so let's just start at the top here. Oh, this is nice. Okay, this is by Passport, and this is a flannel shirt, flannel type shirt, plaid. I love the pink and the green in it. I think this would look so great with some green jeans, which I don't have, so I should probably get some. And it has so it's green and kind of a mustard and a pink, which I thought was a very cool color combination. I like that a lot. It does have the tab sleeves, so I think that's very cute. All right, next up we have, this is from Natural Life, and this is a green half sleeve top, which I really do like a half sleeve. And it is just a beautiful color. I really like that. I call it green, but it's maybe more of a teal. And I think that's really cute, so I'm excited about that piece. This is my favorite piece because boy was Matali rocking this skirt. I love this. It is a gorgeous skirt. Who is it by? It is by OVI. And I like that it has the stripes and then the different color flowers in it. So I think she had on, I can't remember if she had on like a green top or a burgundy top, but she looked amazing in it, and there are different colors in it, so there's actually a lot of different tops that I could wear with this that would work well. Here's a better shot of the whole thing. Super cute. And what's this? A pocket. So excited about that. Next up, we have this navy shirt. I think this is the one she was wearing, but maybe in a different color. This is by Naked Zebra, and it's just a nice blouse and has kind of this cuff on it. And I think it's, you know, it's a little bit oversized, but the way she had it tucked into kind of a tighter type skirt, it worked. It worked. All right, and then last up, we have this Dreamers cardigan. and it is, I think, maybe like a seafoam color, and I like that a lot. So I don't have any cardigans in this color, so pumped about that. It does have the beloved pockets, and I'm excited to try this on. So let's get to it. Okay, ladies, first up we have this amazing skirt that did not disappoint, and the Naked Zero top. Now, I put them on together because that's the way Matali wore it, but she had a burgundy one which looked awesome with the flowers. This is a navy one which doesn't really match anything in here, but I still put them on together. So I love the skirt. It does not disappoint. It is slightly snug in the rear, but not too snug, so that's always good. Good high-waistedness, not too tight around the waist, which is always appreciated. So I feel like this is a good fit. I love like the satiny feel to it. Really happy with this skirt. Love to hear what you guys think. The top, now the top is kind of an oversized top. I think it's a cool blousey top that fits into other pencil skirts that I have that are like this. It'd be a nice top to wear to work, and then just so you guys can see it out of the skirt, you can see it. Like I said, it's a little bit loose and oversized, and it kind of slips around a little bit, but I do like it as a shirt that I'd be tucking into a pencil skirt. So I like it. Let's move on to the other pieces. I actually should have started with this shirt here. And the stylist note actually recommends tucking this one into this skirt. So I think they're a great combination. I really like these two together. Again, would love to hear your guys' opinion on it. I like a nice half sleeve shirt. It's dressy enough that I can wear it with a nice skirt. And it's just a soft casual shirt. And this is what it looks like out. Just kind of a straight down, but great tucking piece. So let me know what you guys think. Alright, so this is the plaid shirt, and I think it's cute. I really like the colors. It's a great fit, absolute great fit. I like that. I would kind of just do a front tuck on this. What do y'all think? I'd say the only thing I don't necessarily love on this is just that the whiteness here, that the pattern doesn't carry through to the underneath. So that's kind of the only downside I see. So, but other than that, I really like it. It's a great fit, and I like the colors. So I'll throw the light sage on over it, and we'll see how that looks. She didn't say to throw it on over, but that's what I'm gonna do. Okay, so there is this cardigan, and I like that it's just a straight down cardigan. Again, that it has pockets. I don't have any cardigans that are this color. I like the slits on the side. This is a little bit more of an airy, breathable one. So this could be more of a, you know, spring, summer, fall type one than a winter one, but it layers fine. So what do you guys think of this cardigan? This may be a keeper, I don't know. It might be slightly big on me. I mean, the sleeve length is actually pretty good. I actually think it's a pretty good fit. What do you guys think? And just for the fun of it, I have this matches my green a little bit better, this cardigan from my Trendsend. So let's throw this on. What do you ladies think? Do you like? Do you not like? Alright, well, let's go over prices and do our recap. Ladies, I need to cut this hair. It's long, it's got split ends. I need a haircut bad. Anyways, okay, so guys, let's do prices. Okay, first of all, my sass was Kristen. I did request her. If you don't know who Kristen is, go find the Fab Fives Fashom unboxing videos that they did with the owner and the stylist Kristen. She is fantastic, so I decided to request her. So let's get to the prices and decide what to keep. Okay, this is the Avi stripe with plant print skirt, $42. I absolutely love this skirt. Can you guys see And it's like a shinier material. No, you can't. All right, fit really well. I think it's really cute, and I am very happy to own this. So, yay! Next up, we have, this is the Dreamer Sage Straight Fit Sweater. I had asked for one that was at the Fashom meetup, and it was like cream color, because I'm really into cream color tops for fall for some reason. I just like them. Anyways, so this one I like the color. I don't have anything that color, and my thing is it just was a little bit big in my opinion. So I think that, and it's a small / medium, so I think it's meant to be like a little bit oversized and, you know, fit a wide variety of people, but it's just a little bit too big on me, so I will not be keeping that. Then we have the Naked Zebra V-neck cap sleeve blouse. This is $42. I like this. I mean, it was a bit big, a bit oversized, but when you tuck it into like a pencil skirt, it creates a really nice shape. I kind of like a little bit of the baggier on top and then kind of the fitted skirt. So this might be a keeper. Let's keep going. Then I have the Natural Life modal top, and this is $43. This is actually really soft. I like this. And it's actually quite similar to the shirt I'm wearing right now. This is from Loft. I think mine's a little bit more tealish, but I really like it. I'm not sure if I $43 like it. It's soft, but so if I bought all 5, I'd get 30% off. That takes off $62.10. So the total for the whole box is $144.90, which is fantastic for 5 items. Really great. And again, they have a reminder on here that if you use my referral link below, you do get $10 credit on your first box. Also, there is no styling fee for your first box. So, what to keep? Okay, so this is a for sure yes. And then these other 3 pieces are maybes. So, I'm gonna need you guys' feedback. I'd really appreciate that. But I think I'm gonna wear this to work today, if that's cool with you guys. Okay. All right, well that's it. That's my video. I've got a lot of exciting videos coming up. I've got another fashion show, a blogger fall sale, which was just the best event ever. I vlogged it a little bit, but mostly I'll be doing a shopping haul. I'm still very awkward as a vlogger. I just get really nervous, and I like doing that. I like doing something outside of the house, but I need to be a little bit less awkward. So we'll see if those continue. Give me your thoughts on what you think of those, and hopefully I will see you guys in the next video. If you're not subscribed, then please do so, and be sure to give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. Okay, we'll see you later. Bye.